friends, what do you think? What is the ultimate purpose of life? What do you think? What is your ultimate goal of life? Do comment in the comment box. Here in this video, we'll discuss what the Hindu scriptures says about four pursuits of life, the four ultimate purpose of human life. Let us check. Today I am going to discuss a very interesting topic, that is Purushartha Chatustaya. Four pursuits of human life. So, what is the meaning of Purushartha here? Purusha basically represent the human being, and Artha related to the purpose or objective. So what is the objective or purpose of human being, and what is the Chatustaya? Chatus means the four. So this is nothing but the four pursuits of human life, or we can say four aims or goals of life as per the Hindu scriptures. So what are these? What are these four? These four are Dharma, Artha, Kama and Moksha. Hope you have heard about these names. Dharma, Artha, Kama and Moksha. So what are these? Dharma is related to the righteousness. I'll come to this thing, the literature part. But before proceeding, let us briefly understand these things, these terms. Dharma means righteousness. Artha means economic values. Kama means pleasure, desire, wishes. And moksha means liberation. That is being called the ultimate purpose of human life, ultimate goal of human life. So, Dharma, Artha and Kama, these three were initially considered as three vargas or three categories which were mentioned in the Samhitas, Brahmanas and Aranyakas. That means in Vedic text only these three, Dharma, Artha and Kama, was considered as the pursuits of life, the ultimate object of human life, purpose of life was considered in the Vedic text. But as per Upanishads, Bhagavad Gita and Yoga Shastras, Moksha would also considered as the fourth pursuit of life, the liberation. This is being called the ultimate purpose of life as per Upanishad, Bhagavad Gita and Yoga Shastras. So if we talk about Dharma, what exactly the Dharma is? Dharma is related to the right way of living moral life, living ethical life, being conscious in thoughts, words and action. This is very important concept. Being conscious, being moral, being ethical in your thoughts, words and even action. And be righteous with yourself, with your family and the society. If you are righteous about yourself and family, then you'll definitely be righteous for the society. Then we'll come to the Artha part. Artha is related to the economic values. Commonly or generally, it is considered those who pursue the spiritual life, they are meant to be poor. They are considered that they'll be poor, but it is not mentioned in the Hindu scriptures. So what it is? Artha is economic values, live skillfully, incorporate wealth, activities to make living, financial security and prosperity. As per the Kaivalya, who has written the Artha Shastra, Artha is the foundation of dharma and kama. Artha is the foundation of dharma and kama. Now we'll come to the kama, that is pleasure. These are the wishes. These are the kind of the desire we have. So that is kama, pleasure. And what does it states? That is essential and joyful aspect of human life. This is related to the sensory experience, desire, our wishes, our passion and emotion, and sensual pleasure. These kind of activities related to the kama. But are these really the purpose of life? Just give it a thought. And just give me some comments in the comment box. What do you think? What is your purpose of life? Anyways, let us proceed. The last, not the least, that is moksha. Moksha means liberation, and it is mentioned in the Upanishad, Bhagavad Gita, Yoga Shastra. And what does it mean? Freedom from samsara, oneness with the Supreme Soul, Brahma, freedom from the cycle of death and rebirth. As per the Vedic text, Dharma was given to the priority. If there is, in case of conflict, what should be considered? The first and foremost aspect, that is Dharma. As per Kautilya, Artha is the foundation of Dharma and Kama. But ultimate goal, which is being considered in the Hinduism, ultimate goal, this is the sole goal of human life, that is moksha, the liberation, the freedom from cycle of death and rebirth. We'll discuss about the literature of these four purposes. So what are these? For Dharma, the literature is Dharma Sutras and Dharma Shastras. And for Artha, economic values, the literature is Artha Shastras and Niti Shastra. For Kama, pleasure related thing, the literature is Kama Sutra and Rati Rahasya. And for Moksha, you will find in the literature that is Upanishad, Bhagavad Gita and our Yoga Shastras.